Meet Rick. Rick's the proud owner of Rick's Body Shop, one of the nation's top auto body repair shops that specializes in collision damage. But Rick's Body Shop is fed up with the big car insurance companies only paying him a fraction of the total cost of a collision repair. And Rick's not alone. Insurance companies underpaying body shops for repairs is such an epidemic that both Inside Edition and Anderson Cooper ran segments exposing the problem. But what big insurance doesn't know is that Rick has a secret weapon. The automotive supplement writing experts at bodyshopadvisors.com. Take a look at this common situation. Meet the Garcias. While happily driving home from the mall, they got in a car accident. Their insurance company had them download an app and take pictures of the wreck. They sent in the pictures and the insurance company estimated $3,400 to repair their car and send them a check. But when the Garcias got to Rick's Body Shop, they were shocked to discover the actual repair would cost them over $10,000. Their insurance company cheated them out of $7,000 needed for the full repair. Meet Alex, the founder of bodyshopadvisors.com and an expert bodyman with over 25 years of experience. Rick's Body Shop knew they could turn to Alex at Body Shop Advisors to fix the mess. Rick sent Alex pictures of the wrecked car, and for a flat fee, Body Shop Advisors wrote a supplement detailing the actual cost of the repair. The Body Shop Advisors supplement documented the complete cost of the Garcia repair to be $10,388. Rick's Body Shop sent the supplement to the Garcia's insurance company, and the insurance company was forced to pay. Now everyone's happy. The Garcia's car is as good as new, and Rick's Body Shop got paid everything it's entitled to for the full repair. If you have a body shop and are ready to get paid for the full cost of your work, call or text us right now at 305-459-3774 and Body Shop Advisors will write your first supplement for free. You can also reach us by filling out the form on this page. Text us right now to 305-459-3774.